In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Vlookup with two spreadsheets in Excel. This process is incredibly useful when you need to pull information from different Excel files, allowing you to efficiently combine data from multiple sources into one cohesive output. First, you'll need to open your Excel file. This is your starting point. So ensure that the primary workbook where you want to perform the Vlookup is accessible. If your data is spread across two different Excel files, rest assured, you can still perform a Vlookup by referencing both files effectively. In Excel, whenever you are dealing with data across multiple workbooks, it's important that your formula not only refers to the specific sheets, but also includes the workbook's file name. Enclose this file name in square brackets within your formula. This tells Excel exactly where to find the data it needs to retrieve. Next, go to the destination cell where you want your Vlookup result to appear. This is the cell where the lookup process will output the data, so select it carefully. Now, let's start building your formula. Begin by typing the equals sign, followed by Vlookup. This initiates the function. You'll notice a guiding reference which prompts you for the next steps of the formula. Specify the lookup value, the unique identifier you're using to search for corresponding information. To do this, click on the cell within your current workbook that contains this identifier. After selecting the lookup value, type a comma to move to the next part of the formula, the table array. This is where you specify the range that contains your dataset. Switch to the other workbook and highlight the range of cells containing the data you need, ensuring that both your lookup value and return data are included. Once you've selected this data range, Excel smartly adds both the workbook and sheet names right into your formula. This encapsulated information is crucial for Excel to pull your desired data securely. Moving forward, it's time to wrap up the Vlookup formula. You'll need to include the column number from which your result will be drawn. For instance, if your target data resides in the third column of your selected array, input the number 3. To ensure you receive only exact matches in your results, finish the formula by typing false. Finally, press enter. Doing so will execute the Vlookup, returning you to your original workbook with the calculated result appearing in the previously selected destination cell. And there you have it, a completed Vlookup process using data from two spreadsheets. With this technique, you can save valuable time and boost your productivity across various Excel tasks. Key.